Hey guys, welcome to Cheeky Musketeers. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. It's a beautiful Sunday morning in Florida. 1 week after Hurricane Ian hit us. We are still cleaning. A lot of cleaning. So I'm going to check with Mr. Farmer what he's doing over there. I think he's still cleaning, cut up trees and limbs. And and getting some of the plants and trees back. The root was like coming out from the ground, so you have to straighten them up and put them back in place and brace them, and it's a lot of work, guys. I want to give a shout out to all our subscribers and viewers who check in on us just to make sure we are doing fine after the hurricane hit us. Thanks to Sherry and Orlando. Thank you for calling and checking us. Thank you guys so much. Hope you guys having a great day today. God bless all of you guys. So let us go and see what Mr. Farmer is doing. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's check what Mr. Farmer is doing. Yep, there he is. He's cleaning up, guys. Yep, there's so much to do. Mr. Farmer, can't hear me, guys, because the tractor is too noisy. He's cleaning up here. We're gonna follow him, okay, guys? Wow, there's a lot of room here. You see? The tractor is spinning. Lot of land cleaning. It's getting warm now, guys. Yep. There's Mr. Farmer with his chainsaw, cutting down trees. Look, he finished all of these. This is our neem tree, guys. I don't know, maybe you're gonna come back. I told him to put the root actually it breaks. So I don't know if we're gonna come back. We're gonna try our best to get this neem tree back to grow. So here's Mr. Farmer over there. Hi, Mr. Farmer. Look what he's doing. Cleaning up after Hurricane Ian. What you doing?
Yes, guys. Once again, for a long time, this is GT Musketeer, Mr. Farmer, cleaning up the devastation of Ian here. Ian do destruction. Mr. Farmer had to start all over.
It's a reborn.
Zero.
Reborn.
Look at this cane over here. You know, this cane here, everything down. It was about to ready, but
Yeah.
I had to leave them like that until they're ready. Ian sweep everything down, you know. So I'm just doing the little cleaning up, and I go back from zero. I'm still have courage to start again, you know. Once we are alive, we can go again.
Like every 5 years we get kind of
So this
destruction.
is the biggest
from
hurricane since I live in Florida here. I'm trying to save my good mango tree right there. So I'm gonna show you all
Later.
the root, how maybe a couple more stuck and Ian will take it down, but it survived. So I try to keep a few limbs.
But look at it, it's so huge. You're right, Ian, go get the mango tree because it's so huge. You need to trim the tree before hurricane to lighten up. Hey guys, Mr. Farmer, he didn't prepare. He thought Hurricane Ian is not coming this way to him. So that's what happened. No preparation.
This was a watermelon, grow by itself.
Now it's all gone.
You know how much watermelon was here.
Oh my, yeah.
All this was watermelon right here. You know?
Mr. Farmer favorite mango tree. Oh, there he was working here. Oh.
I cut the limb that hang in there, and I try to put some dirt and bring it down back that it can survive, you know, so I can try to get this mango tree saved, because it's a special mango which I can never get again, you know. It takes like 15 years to grow this tree, you know. So that is why I cut all these here. I cut this limb out here. This is a big limb, the lean. I cut it out and I make sure it lean back that way so it can survive.
So you gotta get the tractor and pull them for this way.
I will get a tractor and pull it a little bit and just pack some dirt.
I guess embrace some like, right?
Yeah.
Yep, guys.
This is a down tree was full of flower.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's all gone. You know what, guys? We kind of really lucky, because if you go to Fort Myers, it's worse. We get it bad, but not bad as those guys over there. Mr. Farmer done cut out. This one come off and it's root. Yeah.
This is a Saigon tree.
Yeah. Out the root, guys. So
That's how Ian do it. We take it from the root.
from the root, everything on the
Yes.
root.
Ian said we got to start from zero.
Yeah, it's like Florida Indians is a reborn for them.
Oh, this is lemon.
It's a new start again, guys, for Florida people.
This is my jamun tree. This is the second time it's going.
I know, we never get to be here, guys.
Oh,
This
is the
geometry.
second time. This is going down. So I had to trim it. Luckily, we have a sprang stave that we can see some jamun of it.
Look how it's split up in a couple of pieces. Wow.
This is Alisaijan tree. Isn't it? This is Alisaijan tree that Ian break.
Wow, look how you break them.
I gotta take all this out.
Yeah.
Everything. I gotta start from zero, as I said earlier. 0, 0, 0. You know, but I still have courage. Once we have land, we can grow. You know. So this is the other mango tree. Ian, it's break like
Like hell.
hell there, right there.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's mango tree break into pieces.
Yeah.
We even can't go through there, guys. It's not clear. All the limbs and it's like everywhere.
The mango tree. Ian destroyed all the mango trees.
Look how big Carilla.
All this was nice young Karela, but everything gone.
Yeah, we pick up
See
like
that?
so much. I cut them up and put in the
We
freezer.
pick up how much we can, but
Yeah.
the tree was flourishing.
I
to
know, yeah.
Start, but everything
There's one
gone,
more there.
You know, so we have to just replant.
Yes, Mr. Farmer. Let me
know.
get this one more. So I got to chip it up because I don't know when we're going to get Carilla again, guys. Look, it's like everywhere on the ground.
Look at the papaya tree. Very sweet papaya. It was a special.
But this is really surprising they didn't throw down the tree.
It was a special. Once
But-
the leaf gone,
Uh-huh.
then it wouldn't take the tree down.
Oh, okay.
The leaf was pushing the tree down.
Okay.
You know, so hopefully.
Because our neighbor said she trees are down. All her trees are down.
Hopefully it's right for us, you know, and it's very special papaya.
It's full.
You know. Yeah.
All the canes here are down.
All, this is
All in the drainage.
All the cane is down there too, with the flooding and the breeze. You see how they go down there. But I hope they get ripe before they dry out. You know, it's not really cold damage it. It's just the wind. You know, so hopefully they shoot again and they get ripe there that we can harvest. You know? So you see these 3 mango trees? Thank
They're
God
safe.
these
This
3
tree
mango
safe.
trees survived. Yeah. I'm glad these trees survived because I take years to put these up and grow them up as this big, you know. So anyway, thank you all for watching this devastation of Ian, and once again I must say thanks to all my viewers, and everybody that go through this disaster is safe and we can restart again. Bye for now, until